day, sir, madam. My name is Jeneline Langawan, Filipino. I am 28 years old. My religion is Christian. I am married. I have one child. My husband is working as a farmer, and I am the fifth in the family.
Good day to you, Miss Jeneline. How are you today?
Sir, madam, I'm fine.
Okay, so what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam, the good characteristic of a domestic helper must be responsible, loyal, honest, and hardworking.
So how will you avoid your homesickness?
Sir, madam, to avoid homesickness, I focus my work.
So can you tell us the proper way in how to take care of the children?
Sir, madam, the proper way in taking the children must give them proper food, medicine, vitamins, take them a bath, and love them as your family and children.
Okay, so what if you commit a mistake? What will you do?
Sir, madam, I will say sorry and I will promise I will not do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, madam, I will promise that I will finish my 2 years contract and I will do my best.
Thank you, Miss Jeneline, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, madam, sir.